Hey Chad, and today I'm going to show you how to rug meme coins like a real American. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go over to the screener and find a coin what you want to copy now. Its kind has to be trending, has to be good, and make sure it's past at least the top 8 or 9. As you can see, it just clicks on a random kind, and so I just clicked on a random coin. It actually looked like it did pretty good. So, it's obviously a winning format. It got investors. Now, as you can see here, it did get some investors, and then obviously they sold so much supply. This also inspired, and they just sold all of it. So we're going to be copying this one because, it looks like this one is a winning format. Okay, so you just copy it, go to create your token on a token launch your website I recommend using, because it gets your coin and listed higher on the excluder. So you get more buyers, so you want to put your token name. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to, so you want to put the supply as 1 billion. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. Now let me copy the image. There you go. Make sure it's PNG file. Okay, nice. And, come to the description. Now we're just going to copy their description. Well, let me try to find it. Okay, nice. So when you come over to the end now, they revoke access authority. So you want to select these so you can actually, rug pull it like this. And we're going to do creator info. Now this is truly optional, but what we're going to do is, so the client adds legitimacy to the token. So, more people think it's real and the people actually sniping enough transits. They're just going to look at it and be like, okay, everything looks how everything checks out. We're going to add socials as well. Now, this is optional once again, but I do recommend adding this. No one's going to invest if you just, if it's just a coin with no Telegram link or Twitter website. It's just going to look like a fresh coin on the market. Nothing's there. It's just some random, shit coin. So yeah, I'll get back when I made this. Okay, so there you go. I have the Telegram name, the Twitter, the website. What are all this stuff complete? So now you just want to, well, before you click launch, just connect your wallet, simple as. So confirm. Okay, nice now. So now you want to click launch token. It's wait. Proceed confirm. Now the reason it says all this is because API is not verified yet, but I can promise you guys it's safe. And if you don't trust it, then, just simply don't use it. It's completely up to you. It's pretty much the exact same, so yeah. So now we're waiting for it to load because we made our token. Just wait should come up any second now. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now you want to click copy. You want to refresh the token launch page. Or if it's loaded and you want to click on liquidity pool, it's going to open up Radium. You can do it this way, or you can just go on to Google and type Radium yourself by that. Whatever, click down liquidity, you want to click that standard. MM. Okay, so now you want to get your current address. Click copy. Okay, nice. Now you can swap the better one out for Sol, and in the top one should go blank there. We go put your token address in there from the Solana Explorer, and then you want to click on your token. Okay, nice. So now we've got to make the liquidity. Simple process, just like this, to 900%. So pretty much we own 90% of the supply. Nice, and then with your BS Plus, you're not losing anything. You're just putting it into the liquidity, and then when you take it out, you get your money back. So it's literally just using your money for the liquidity. Okay, so I'm going to come here, select 4 for Sol. You want to come here, flick number 2, and then you want to click initialize the liquidity pool. Now just wait for this. You should get a phantom wallet pop up. There we go. Okay, so click confirm. Okay, your pool has been successfully created. Okay, so now you want to go over to portfolio. Want to go to standard, then you just want to keep refreshing on this page until you can see your liquidity pool. Now, it's not here yet. User takes about 5 to 10 minutes to get here. But yeah. Okay, so for now, we're going to go back onto this Solana Explorer. You want to select your token address, and then you want to click on through any random coin, and then go over to the line address and just swap it out for your token name like this, and it should load onto your token. Just wait for this. There we go. It's loaded. As you see, we added the liquidity. Okay, so it's on. We have some buys and sells as you're just snipers, though. Some of them are real, I guess. If you got a good narrative. Okay, nice. So our coin is on the market. The current liquidity is 1,000. Now, obviously, we own $400 of that, and the rest is the liquidity, obviously $600. So whenever someone buys, we own 40% of this, of the liquidity. So if this goes to 100,000, then we make 40K pretty much. If your coin goes to $1 million, then you make 400K. So yeah, guys, just imagine if your coin goes to like $10 million, and, it's easy for $1 million. So, it's pretty cool. It's very simple, but yeah. So now, as you can see, the pair created 2 minutes ago. We're just going to wait. Guys, like 5 to 10 minutes for the buy start coming because it hasn't been truly listed yet. So I'll put on a time lapse, or, I'll come back in about, 10, 20, 40 minutes. I'm going to keep watching it, and then here we're going to rug it afterward. But yeah, we want to go over to Radium, just refresh. Okay, there you can see our position is here. Now you just want to click over to this minus button right here, and then you want to slide this bar all the way to the right. Okay, there we go. We can take out 9 Sol now. So we're going to take out this 9. Now a lot of people's getting confused. Pretty much we own like half of this. You know, we don't own 1.7k, we'll get like 1,000 out. I like 1.1k, something like this. Yeah, let's go over to our coin. Let's see how it's doing. It's still getting buyers. The chart's done pretty good. It's actually looking very healthy. It just went up. Down transaction. You know, people to dip. Now I'm just waiting. Yeah. Let's see what happens. I might rug. Pull it now because, you know, obviously people are going to sell as there's no motion in the coin. The motion has kind of stopped. See if anyone's got buy-in at the last seconds. Okay, now we're probably going to rug pull it. So when you want to rug pull it, you might go over to Radium, you know, select it all. Let me just refresh. Make sure there's no more buyers. Okay, so you want to click remove liquidity. Oh, so I told my mate to invest some money into this kind to show you what it would say when they try taking their funds out, you know, after you have removed the liquidity. And as you can see here, it literally just says, in error fetching the route. Please try changing the code. You want to click on the security check. Enter password, whatever. Okay, there we go. Open it up. So I click confirm, and then there you go. Remove liquidity confirmed. So you want to go and open your wallet back up. Okay, there you can see, or was it 100? Now it wasn't exactly the 1,700, you know, it was only like half of that. And yes, and so we've made a couple Sol of this now. So this was actually a winning narrative, so I can see why this works. But yeah, we got away with just a couple $100, almost 600 bucks. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want to do this, go over to the website right now. Just a quick warning, I'm not saying go make a coin and it's going to go to $1 million market cap. Make a good coin, like go onto the deck screener and actually pick a winning coin. Pick a coin that's worth following. Let me just go in this coin right here. Okay, 300,000 market cap. It's clearly a winning narrative. It's kind of rug pulled as well. Well, yeah, as you can see, they got a lot of buyers. You want to be copying these narratives that actually work. But yeah, so guys, if you want to do this, then go make a coin and tell me what goes. Make a comment, tell me your success stories. But yeah, guys, much love, and most probably seeing you in the next video.